Hey everyone, welcome back to The Country Called Us. I'm Trisha. On today's video, we are going to make two more creamers. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. We're going to make apple pie and pumpkin spice. Alright, so we're going to start out doing the apple pie. So we need, with this, 3 cups of powdered milk. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to do 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. So I'm doing half cups, so we're going to need 3 of those. 2, 3, that's 1.5 cups. And I'm going to put a little bit of regular creamer in it. I'm going to do a cup of regular old-fashioned creamer. And then the pumpkin pie spice is 2 teaspoons. So 1, 2. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix this all together. Make sure you get it all incorporated in there. And there we have it, our apple pie coffee creamer. All right, and next we are going to make our pumpkin pie. And again, a lot of these recipes have the same base. 3 cups of powdered milk, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. The creamer is optional. You don't have to put it in, but it makes it a little bit creamier, and for your coffee. So 3 cups of powdered milk, 1 cup of regular creamer, and then 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Again, I'm using half cups, so there's going to be 3 of them. 2, 3. And again, like usual, I'm getting it all over the place. That's becoming my MO. And then 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. 1 and 2. And then we mix it together. They both smell amazing. Make sure you get it all incorporated in there. Oops, and there I go, getting it all over the place again. Mix it all up. Make sure it's all incorporated together. And there you have your pumpkin pie coffee creamer. All right, guys, and that was the apple pie spiced coffee creamer and the pumpkin spice coffee creamer. It's not a very long video today. It's rather short because they were two of the easiest ones to do, because there really wasn't a lot to do with it. You just, you add your powdered milk and your powdered sugar. Like I said, the coffee creamer is optional. It just makes it a little bit more creamy. And then you add, your pumpkin pie spice and, and your apple pie spice. And, sorry guys, I'm losing my train of thought. But yeah, I will have another video out. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it this week, or wait till next week. But I'm contemplating on doing like a cookies and cream. I might do a trial run before I do a video on it. Not sure how that's going to work out, because all it calls for is literally Oreo cookies. So I have to get them finely chopped pretty much in order to do it. So I might do a trial run before I do the video for it. I haven't decided on the second one that I'm going to do in that video, but stay tuned and I'll have another video either sometime this week or next week. Again, this is Trisha from The Country Called Us. Peace out and have a nice day.